Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Get ready, because today we're embarking on an incredible journey through the heart and soul of Vietnam. This isn't just a country, it's a sensory explosion, a tapestry woven from vibrant culture, timeless traditions, and, most importantly, unforgettable flavors. Picture this: the humming energy of Hanoi's ancient streets, the lantern-lit glow of Hoi An at night, the modern pulse of Saigon, and the lush, winding waterways of the Mekong Delta. It's a land of contrasts and pure magic. Today, we're diving deep into two experiences that truly define Vietnam. Its legendary, ever lively street food culture, and the enchanting floating river markets that drift through the Mekong. So, grab your virtual passport, get comfortable, and let's discover the real Vietnam together. Have you ever been to Vietnam? Or is it on your bucket list? Let me know in the comments below. Now, let's hit the streets. Vietnamese street food is so much more than just a quick bite on the go. It's the lifeblood of the cities, a living, breathing tradition that pulses through every alley and sidewalk. Here, every single dish tells a story of history, of family recipes passed down through generations, and of the everyday rhythm of local life. The sidewalk is the dining room, the kitchen is open for all to see, and the community gathers on these tiny plastic stools, sharing not just food, but moments. It's where business deals are made, friendships are forged, and families come together. You're not just an observer here, you're part of the fabric of the city. This is where the true flavor of Vietnam is found, raw and unfiltered. It's an experience you can't get in any fancy restaurant. Alright foodies, this is the part you've been waiting for. Let's talk about the stars of the show. From the sizzling walks that send plumes of delicious smoke into the air, to the mountains of fragrant, fresh herbs and spices, Vietnamese street food is a masterclass in balance. It's the perfect harmony of freshness and bold, complex flavors. First up, the icon itself, pho. This isn't just noodle soup, it's a national treasure. A steaming bowl of rich, aromatic broth that's been simmered for hours, with silky rice noodles, tender slices of beef or chicken, and a garden of fresh herbs like basil, mint, and cilantro. A squeeze of lime, a dash of chili. It's perfection. Then you have bun cha, a Hanoi specialty. Imagine grilled pork, patties, smoky and slightly sweet, served in a light, tangy dipping sauce with rice noodles and a heaping plate of fresh greens. It's an explosion of textures and tastes in every single bite. This is the dish that even presidents rave about. And of course, we can't forget the banh mi. This is the king of sandwiches, a crispy, airy French baguette, a smear of rich piti, and then it's loaded with a symphony of ingredients. Grilled pork, Vietnamese. Sausage, pickled carrots and deep, fresh cucumber, cilantro, and a kick of chili. It's savory, it's tangy, it's fresh, it's crunchy. It's everything you could ever want. But wait, there's more. Look at this. Banh xeo, the sizzling pancake. A giant, crispy crepe made from rice flour and turmeric, folded over a delicious filling of shrimp, pork, and bean sprouts. You wrap a piece in lettuce and herbs, dip it in a special sauce, and wow, the crunch is just incredible. And for a sweet ending, chai. It's a whole category of Vietnamese desserts, from sweet soups and puddings to jellies, all made with ingredients like coconut milk, beans, tropical fruits, and sticky rice. It's the perfect way to cool down, or maybe a fresh fruit juice, squeezed right before your eyes. The tropical fruits here are on another level. Each dish is a reflection of centuries of culinary wisdom, perfected on the streets. What you're seeing now is me, just diving right in. The best part of this experience is the interaction. The vendors, they're not just cooking, they're artisans. Watch them work the speed, the precision. It's mesmerizing. They're so proud of their food, and their faces light up when they see you enjoying it. Simply and gone, which means delicious, will earn you the biggest, warmest smile. And it's not just about the food, it's about connection. Here on these sidewalks, language barriers seem to melt away. A shared meal becomes a shared moment. You'll find locals and travelers huddled together, sharing stories, laughter, and the simple joy of an authentic, unpretentious life. It's a community, and for a moment, you're part of it. You see children playing nearby, scooters weaving through the bustling but surprisingly friendly chaos. It's a symphony of life. This is where you feel the true heartbeat of Vietnam, not in a museum, but right here, on a plastic stool, with a bowl of noodles in your hand. These are the moments that stay with you long after the flavors have faded. Okay, so you're here, you're hungry, and everything smells amazing. How do you choose? Here are a few tips to help you navigate this culinary paradise. First, and most importantly, follow your senses. Let the aroma guide you. If a stall smells incredible and there's a line of locals, that's your golden ticket. The locals always know best. Don't be afraid to be adventurous. Point at what looks good. Use a bit of sign language. It's all part of the fun. The vendors are usually super friendly and happy to help you out. Ask N-I-L-G. What is this? And you might discover your new favorite dish. Look for cleanliness. A busy stall is often a clean stall, because high turnover means fresh ingredients. See if they're cooking to order. Fresh is always best, and watch how they handle money and food separately. Once you have your food, find a seat and observe. Watch how the locals eat it. What condiments do they add? Which herbs do they use? Don't be afraid to copy them. That's how you get the full, authentic experience. Talk to the vendors. Ask about their dish. They are the guardians of these recipes. My biggest piece of advice: try something you've never heard of. That's where the real magic happens. As the sun sets, the streets of places like Hanoi's Old Quarter transform. The golden glow of the streetlights reflects on the wet pavement. The sizzle of the woks provides the soundtrack, and the air is thick with the scent of grilling meat and fragrant broth. The vendors are starting to pack up. The day's last customers are finishing their meals, and a sense of calm settles over the once chaotic streets. The magic of Vietnam is so deeply rooted in its street food. It's in the flavors, it's in the people, and it's in the countless stories that fill every corner and alleyway. This is a culinary culture that's both ancient and alive, a tradition that you can taste, see, and feel. But our journey isn't over yet. The stories of this land flow not just through its streets, but also through its rivers. So, what do you say? Let's drift down to the mighty Mekong Delta and discover the enchanting floating markets, a way of life that has flowed through the veins of this country for centuries. What's the most amazing street food you've ever tried on your travels? Share it in the comments. And if you're enjoying this journey through Vietnam, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next part of our adventure. Your support means the world to us. Thank you for watching, and see you on the river. Start of narration. Alright, welcome back everyone. If you thought the street food journey was incredible, wait until you see where we re-head next. We're leaving the bustling city streets behind and venturing into the heart of Vietnam's river life. Get ready, because this is where the real magic happens. Look at this incredible view from above. This isn't just a river. It's a floating highway of culture and commerce. These are the legendary floating markets, the very heartbeat of river life in Vietnam. For centuries, this is how communities have thrived. You see boats laden with the freshest fruits, vibrant vegetables, and seafood caught just hours ago. It's a tradition that has flowed through generations, a living, breathing testament to the country's rich history. Here, locals don't just trade goods, they trade stories, they share laughter, and they keep centuries-old traditions alive and well. It's a beautiful, chaotic, and absolutely mesmerizing dance on the water. Okay, I'm stepping from the solid ground of the dock onto one of these traditional wooden boats. It's a little wobbly, but that's all part of the adventure. The moment you're on the water with everyone, it's a complete sensory feast. You're immediately enveloped by the most amazing smells. The sweet perfume of ripe mangoes and pineapples, the earthy aroma of fresh herbs, and the savory scent of noodles being cooked on a boat kitchen right next to us. The air is filled with a lively buzz of friendly bartering, cheerful greetings, and the gentle lapping of water against the hull. This isn't just a market, it's an immersive experience of vibrant community floating on the water, and it's something you truly have to see to believe. Let's get a closer look at what everyone's selling. It's like a treasure trove of the Mekong Delta's bounty. Look at the size of these dragon fruits and these rambutans. They're so bright and juicy. Over here, we have baskets of freshly caught fish, still glistening from the river. And what's this? A lovely woman is making B&H helped these handmade rice cakes right on her boat. She's beckoning me over to try some. Every single item you see here tells a story about the local culture, the fertile climate, and the traditions passed down through families. It's food in its purest form, straight from the source and crafted with so much heart. While the food and the products are incredible, the true soul of these river markets is undoubtedly its people. Look around you. You see children, born and raised on these waters, playing happily by the riverbank. You see the warm, gentle smiles of the elders, their faces telling tales of a lifetime spent in harmony with the river. You see entire families living their lives on these boats, their homes gently rocking with the current. These are the moments that truly capture the spirit of this place. It's a story of resilience, of community, and of a life that flows in perfect rhythm with the river itself. It's in their generous smiles and simple daily rituals that you find the real magic. As the day begins to wind down, the sun starts its descent, casting this incredible golden glow across the water. The frantic energy of the morning market softens into a peaceful, serene atmosphere. Boats, their trading done for the day, begin their slow journey back to the docks. The light sparkles on the water's surface, creating a scene that feels like it's straight out of a painting. It's a moment of pure tranquility and reflection. From the vibrant energy of the city streets to the serene beauty of the river markets, Vietnam has completely captured my heart. Its magic is woven into its unforgettable flavors, its incredibly warm people, and its timeless traditions. This journey has been a feast for the senses and the soul. I truly hope you've enjoyed this adventure as much as I have. Vietnam is a country that invites you to come, taste, explore, and let yourself be enchanted. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What part of this journey amazed you the most? The street food or the river markets? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to join me on more adventures like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.